Aloha, this is Kate with WTI, and I wanted to share my favorite protein bar when I am on the go and I need a snack. This is the chocolate mint protein bar from Aloha, and I really appreciate this brand because they keep things very straightforward with the ingredients. When it comes to protein bars, it is very easy for the ingredients to get super complicated and over processed. So I appreciate that when I take a look at the ingredient list, I can actually understand the ingredients that I am eating. This chocolate mint flavor is delicious. It is very easy to eat. It's not chalky or anything like that. I think it is tasty and I forget that I am eating a protein bar. I appreciate too that it is a plant-based protein and it doesn't have artificial flavorings or dyes or things like that in it. So those are things I'm usually trying to avoid when I grab a protein bar, and yet it's still got 14 grams of protein for me. So it's perfect when I'm on the go after a workout, when I need a snack and a boost of protein. This is a really delicious way for me to get that. If you're looking for a great tasting plant-based protein bar that is going to keep things pretty simple and straightforward for you, but give you that protein you're looking for, I highly recommend checking out the Aloha brand. And I love this chocolate mint flavor, but that's just my point of view.